How to cook easy beef picadillo. First, saute garlic and onion. Next, add 1 big tomato. Next, add the ground beef. Cook until there's no more pink color visible. Next, add the fish sauce. And next is the tomato paste. And 1 cup of water. Cover and cook for some minutes. And afterwards, you can add the diced potato and the raisins. Cover again and cook for some more minutes. And then you can add in the green peas and the diced carrots. Cover again and cook for some more minutes. Next is to season with salt and pepper. And then you're done. Thank you for watching.